Okay, so I've seen quite a few questions online on Facebook groups, etc., asking about how one goes about getting the discounted AARP, or I think there's a few other maybe insurance agencies that give discounted cards without having to actually join the service that's being provided. So I'm going to go ahead and do the AARP. First, I'm going to search for it, and we'll just go here. And the confusing part is probably that they're pushing you here on the main screen to join, and it doesn't appear that there's a way to get in uh, unless you go through the actual joining process. So let me back up. What we're going to do is kind of bypass that and go down here and click I don't know, one of the AARP, the magazine. That's going to get us past that first screen. So now we're a little further in, and you can see there's join, renew, but over here there's rewards for good. This is what you're looking for, the rewards for good. And if we click that, it takes us to that main page, and then there's a register and log in. So if you don't have a AARP login, you can click this register and then fill out all this stuff here, and it's not going to ask you for a credit card or anything to join, and then you just register. You don't have to see. You probably will have to go through and log in and write down your password and username. We're going to skip that and just go straight to my login. Maybe that's not it. I tried to make a fake account just to show you guys, but you know what? Should we do that? No, because I actually wanted to go all the way through. Well, let's do it. Let's make a fake account. Password for the, let's type in fake account. That's Bob Roberts. This is all the stuff that I put in before. This is probably not going to go over well. We might want to use a real 1955 SCS. I agree. Alright, so there's a fake email. Hopefully they won't make me verify that. Re-enter the fake password, which was fake account. Bob Roberts, USA. Oh, what happened here? Oh, we need numbers. Okay, so fake account 1. So it knows that it's invalid. Well, that's what you would do to sign in. We're just going to go ahead and use our regular one if I can get back to it. Let's use my password manager. Alright, so now we're logged in. We see we have 2,900 points already saved up. But just assume that you're just joining in, you don't have any points. So you'll have to earn those points. And if we go down here, they'll have some things for us to click on. Oh wait, let's make sure we're in the rewards for good. Okay, here we go. Get started, earn points, etc. You have these things. Let's see, are we getting enough sleep? So here's a questionnaire. And increase your chances, drink red wine. Oh, this is a quiz to see if I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I'm gonna drink some wine. Oh, not good. Next question. Get out of here. Experts say you're getting a good night's sleep. Actually, 50%. Oh, got that one wrong too. Older adults curling up under the covers for an hour. Oh, got that wrong too. Waking up middle of the night 6 times. Nope, got that wrong too. 60 minutes. Got that wrong. Boy, they're gonna get some faulty information on me. Eating a small snack. Oh, it's all the above. Wait, exercise? No. There we go, watching TV. Incorrect. You know, 3 hours earlier. Watch a great movie. That's wrong too. I'm getting all these wrong. Oh wait, I just got, look at that. You better give me credit. I got one right. There we go. Got one right, 10 wrong. I like Winston Churchill. That's wrong. Alright. Boom, boom, boom. Guess what? We just earned 525 points. It really is that easy. Take another quiz. And there's several over here. Now, not all of them are that high. It's the there's some that limit you to once. You can only take the quiz once. Some let you take it once a month. I thought there was a whole chart that mapped that out. I'm just not seeing it right now. Earn points. Earn up to 5,000 points daily. New weekly quizzes. Working. Okay, so here we go. See, it says take these daily. They're going to be lower in points. Take these monthly, take these once a year, and take these one time only. Some of these one time onlys are a fairly good amount of points. Sorry, I've already taken this one, so I wanted to show you what the points were, but let's see, maybe I haven't done this yet. Ace your job interview, 600 points. So if we answered this one, we'd get 600 points. That would put us at 1,000 points, which I think is what's necessary. So let's just assume you've done 2 or 3 of these. It really didn't take that long, and you've got over 1,000 points. I happen to have 3,400. And now let's try to cash that in. Rewards catalog. And here we can see now what we're eligible to get. And you can get coupons, movies, etc. But we're going to look for the gift cards. Oh, look at that. Carnival one comes up. But in case it doesn't, we can look across the top here. And there's a section for gift cards. And it's broken down into categories. We're going to want the travel, and there we go. So we can buy $100 cards, $500 cards. I'm going to suggest you do the $100 cards, and I forgot what the limit is, but if you go over a certain limit, 500 or 800, they're going to make you sign for it at the door when they deliver it. If you know you're going to be home, that's fine, but since we're a working household, it was a little bit inconvenient last time. We actually had to make a special trip to the post office to sign for the cards and get them. So this last time we were doing them 2 cards at a time. You get them fairly quick, I'd say within about a week. But let's go ahead and let's send another one of these to us. Alright, so here you can see it's a $100 gift card for $90. I'm not going to personally guarantee that you'll get yours, but I'm telling you that we've gotten at least 12 or 13 of these so far to help pay for our cruise with no problems whatsoever. So you just add it to your shopping cart and view the card. You can see it's $90, and then here's your bill. It took out 1,000 points for the card. I think I'm going to do 2 more. Alright, here we can see our shopping cart, and hopefully I remember to blur this out so I'm not giving any of my personal information, but we see the retail price is $200. They're using 2,000 points for my 2 cards. The price is going to be $180. They are charging me shipping of $1.18. I mean, what are you going to do? So technically I'm not getting the full 10% off, but it's still, I'm getting, $200 worth of purchasing power for $181. You can't argue with that. Okay, I'll probably edit this next step out as I'm doing it, but since I cleared all my data. Alright, now we're going to click continue after I've entered my credit card information there. You can see we are purchasing $200 using 2,000 of our points, quantity 2 cards. Click to review. Alright. Possibly not gonna be here in time for Christmas, but our cruise isn't until later on next year, so that's not an issue for us. Alright, once again, sorry that I had to blur this out, but it's showing my address here, which I'm not quite willing to share with you. Not that you couldn't find it. And then some credit card information on the other side, including how much I was billed. It was $181.18, as you saw on the other screens. And then down here, what I ordered, another order summary, points that were deducted, etc. And then we can click continue shopping if we wanted to add something more. That's really all there is to it. You see the points have been deducted from my account. I only have $14.50 left, and I could answer a few more questions. And it really is easy. I mean, I'll show you. If we go back to it, I could add some more points in there. Lickety split. Let's do this one. Oh, we did the sleep already. Wait, is it letting me do it again? Nope, already earned points for taking this quiz. Alright, so benefits of yoga, 50%. Weight gain, false. You might want to actually take your time and actually answer them if you want. Normally, I do, because sometimes there's like a review at the end that'll give you like a breakdown of your answers, etc. But since I'm just making this video real quick, I'm not even reading the questions, and you see I just got 450 more points. I'm up to 1900 again. I can almost buy 2 more cards. One more survey and I'll be ready to buy 2 more cards. So hopefully that helped you. If it did, give me a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel, because subscriptions and likes, etc., shares, that's what keeps people making YouTube videos like this, and it certainly goes a long way towards helping us out. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.